Welcome, boys. Welcome to our fourth class. Let's see what we have learned in previous class. I'm going to open textbook, the one from our Google Classroom. We have learned this creating presentation by using design template and all, and till animation we have done custom animation, slide transition and all. This one. So we are going to learn from modifying a transition effect. Up to some extent we have done modifying transition effect, apply to all and all. Let's see. Adding sound to your presentation. Let's see. This is the file that we have been working. Do you remember in last class we have already made this one and we have already applied, look here, the changes. This we have already done. So now this changing transition effect from one to another, and if you want to apply to all, we have already done this one, applying a different slide transition, or apply to all. If you select one transition and if you select this apply to all, it will apply to all the slides that you have been created. So next is sound. While changing the transition, you can add a sound in your PowerPoint presentation. For using this one, your system or computer has to be connected with the speaker. If your system or computer is not connected with the speaker, then you cannot hear the sound. So for select the slide that you want to add sound, and you have to go to transition and you have to go to timing, and the sound you have to select from here. If your computer is not connected with the speaker, then you cannot hear the different sounds that they have here. So from here, for a particular slide, select that slide and you can add sounds from here. If you have your speaker connected with your computer, then you can listen to the sounds, and if it is not connected, then you wouldn't be hear any sound. So you can add sounds for your transition. You can add from here, and duration you can change it from here. How much time did you want to keep between from one transition to another transition? The time taken between the transition is completed. So, and if you select that setting, and if you want to apply to all the slide, you can apply to all. And if you want to set it for a particular slide, you can uh, do the setting for different slide particular to that slide. You can change it each slide differently. So adding sound is an object. Look here, let's add a sound here. You all know how to record a sound. You can record by this sound recorder software, which is already included in our Windows computer. You can start recording from here, and you can add it into our slide. And when during the slide presentation, when you click on that, and if your computer is connected with the speaker, then you will hear the sound. And if it is not connected, then you wouldn't be here. You wouldn't be able to hear. So let's see. Sound recorder. I have recorded a sound, a demonstration for demonstration purpose. I have recorded the sound by using this one. Let's see. Go to insert. This is adding audio file as an object. So insert tab, after that media, and for video also it's here, and for audio also it's here. Click here. You want to add video from online or from your PC, just I have already prepared, so go to PC and you have to browse where did you save your video or audio file. So let's select this one, insert. So you can drag where you want to put it. I have inserted it one. So here in this next slide I will insert that sound as an object. Go to insert audio, audio from my PC. I have recorded this one, audio class 6, for demonstration purpose. Okay, I'll keep it here. Let's see. Look here, I can play the video. If my computer is connected with the speaker, I can hear the sound. I have added a Bruce Lee video. So after finishing, this is the audio file as an object. We have inserted that one. So here I can click to play. I can speak whatever I want to explanation, or it may be anything. You can record it previously while preparing your slide, and during the slide presentation you can click here and play that sound, or it may be any other clip also, sound audio file. So you can click here and you can listen what that sound is. So like that, next slide it will move. We have already seen that one. I'll exit from here. So we have learned about adding sound as an object or adding video as an object. Next is link, adding link. Go to insert tab, we can add here by Microsoft. While clicking this one by Microsoft, it will go to a link. So action here and hyperlink to mm, or hyperlink to next slide or URL. Let's say www.microsoft.com. Let's add our Microsoft website. Let me open it first. It's taking time. So this is Microsoft website for our India. I'll just copy that website and paste it there in URL. Here I'll copy this one, Control plus C, and paste it here. Okay. So when we click on this by Microsoft, when we click on this, and our computer should be connected with the internet, and will go to this website. The one which I did that one is URL. We have to enter by URL if you want to add a this website. Okay, so let's see. We've learned how to add link with our, let's see, slideshow. Let's see from the beginning. Video will not play it. Next slide. Look here. Okay. That one I have not this one selected that object previous one. So let's select this one, that object, insert action, hyperlink to this URL, and enter that website. Okay, now it's included. When I click on this Microsoft, it will go to our this one. I have made that Google Chrome ready. So let's see our slide from the beginning. The video audio sample. Look here. When I move my pointer to look here, I'll click during our slide, so it went to our default browser and it went to our Microsoft website. So like this, you can hyperlink a website with your presentation. While making your presentation, you can add a link to that presentation. It may be a page, or it may be a website, or it may be any of the action, or it may be to run a program like that. So adding sound with the slide transition we have already done. Can add different sounds and different with different transition effect. And slideshow option, there are two slideshow options. The one which I have done, go to this slideshow option, and from the beginning and from the current slide. When you click on from the beginning, our slideshow will start from the beginning of our slide, and if you select this current slide, then you can directly select a slide and you can start from that particular slide. You have to just click that from current slide, select that particular slide, and you have to click from current slide. Look here, it will start from that slide, the one which I have selected. So this is, and slideshow, you can click from here also, like this, and so on. So it may be from the beginning or from the current slide. So now let's see the rehearse timing. What is rehearse timing? You can find it in slideshow tab and rehearse timing. See, rehearsal, you already know, when we have a program to be conducted at school about annual day and all, we have to do rehearsal before the actual show. So this means that when your presentation begins, you have to rehearse before it. You have to speak what you are going to speak in that during that presentation. You have to rehearse before. So during the rehearsal timing, how much time did you keep? How much time did you want to show this slide? So that one you can manually set that timing. So let's see. Click on this rehearse timing. It'll start our presentation, and a time clock ticking time will be here. In slide number 1, it's already 5 seconds. So let me click on, let's say, 13 seconds, 15. In 15 seconds, slide number 1 finish. In slide number 2, 6 seconds, let's say 8 seconds, 9 seconds, 10 seconds. So slide number 2 finished. So in slide, this is the total time, and this is the current slide timing. This is current slide timing, how much time I want to keep. and this is the total time. So this is in second. I'm just showing it in second. 16 second. So let's see, this is the last one. How much time? 2. Okay, finish. So the total time is 51 second. Do you want to save the slide, new slide timing? Yes, I want to save it. So now when you show this one, when you do this one slideshow, it will go according to my timing, the one which I have kept now. Let's see, it will go automatically. Let's wait and see. According to the time that I have set, it will work according to that one. I didn't click anything. So according to the time that I have set, it will work according to that. So like this, before doing your actual presentation, you can set the time, so there is no second person or whoever who is going to click over your mouse, or it may be from the computer. Don't need that person. You can already set by automatically in rehearse timing, and you can set the time and how much in a particular slide, how much did you want to show it, and the time you can fix it before your actual presentation. And you can see the total time of your presentation also. If the timing is fixed like 5 minutes, then you can distribute how much time did you want to show in a particular slide, and you can distribute your timing and you can plan it like that. So according to that time, particular time, it will show that slides, and you will know that my timing is going to finish. And if you set like that, so there is no problem like that if there is a particular time. And if you don't want to save it, this uh, rehearse timing, you can remove that one also. Now the next one is printing or presentation. The last topic is printing or presentation. We can print our presentation and we can distribute to our audience, or it may be a teacher or student. To our audience, we can distribute our presentation. Like after finishing everything, file, go to print, um, like this. This is the first page. This is the second page. This is the third page. This is the fourth page. This printer is a black and white printer, so color is not coming in. This one, if I select, so it comes in color. This is the second slide. This is the third slide. Like this, you can print it, or you can print it all the slide in one page like this. You can set up the page also. I have 4 slides. This is our slide. You can print it like this, and the audience or they can write something out here. So like this, you can hand it out your presentation before starting your presentation. What you are going, or what the presentation is about, and like that you can print your presentation pp, this one PowerPoint presentation, and you can give the slides to our audience. This is called handout. So here comes the end of our chapter number 4. Let's see. Here comes the end of our chapter number 4. You can find some multiple choice and true and false in here at the back of our chapter number 4 here. Fill in the blank and all. Like this. Thanks for watching.